Hey kids, welcome to Lesson 7, APIs and Function Parameters. Terminology, parameters. When you have a command like move forward 100, we say that the move forward command accepts a parameter. So let's define parameter here. A parameter is a numerical or other measurable factor forming one of a set of systems that defines a condition of its operation. Basically, it's telling the command what exactly you want it to do. 100 means 100 pixels. Since this value can change, you will often see a written description for the command that looks something like move forward pixels to indicate that the value supplied to move forward's parameters should be the number of pixels you want to move. The good old move forward command still exists. In fact, it's the same command as move forward pixels. The parameterless version of move forward simply just supplies the default value to the parameter. We might also say that the move forward command has an optional parameter, since you could call either move forward or move forward with a specific distance. And it doesn't cause an error when you run the program, which is good. Note you can write your own functions that accept parameters too, but we're going to get to that in later lessons. We also have new commands to check out. The Turtle toolbox now contains the parameterized versions of the Turtle commands, including turn angle and turn right angle. Notice that pen up, pen down do not have parameters at this time. We have a do this, use a parameterized version of the commands to draw a triangle with sides that are 100 pixels long. We have a little picture here. Looks just like the YouTube play button there. So pretty simple. Let's take a look at our commands here. Like they said, we have a move forward, we have a turn right, a turn left. I don't think we're going to have to use the pen up or pen down feature because this looks pretty standard. Same lines we've been drawing. I'm going to have to use these commands here. Move forward, turn right, turn left. So these three will get me ultimately to my little triangle here. First thing I want to do is probably move forward. Up here, it's said that each of the sides of the triangle are going to be 100 pixels long. Simply going to type in down here 100. If I hit reset and run, it'll take me straight up. This to me looks like an equilateral triangle. That means all three sides and three angles should be the same. So I know that 100 is going to be the one side. From code.org, it tells me the other two sides are 100. So from this, I can extrapolate and say that my angles are probably going to be the same no matter around. I'm going to take some guesses here. Since a full triangle angle is 90 degrees would be a right angle, most angles in there have to add up something to 180 on them. So if I take 60, 60, 60, 60 plus 60 is 120, plus another 60 is 180, that kind of gets me to what I want. So let's just try those numbers and see if it works. This time I have a turn right angle. I'm going to put 120 into here. Move forward 100 pixels again. So that takes me down to here. This time, if I do another turn right, let's see what happens here. 120, move forward at 100 pixels. That should take me down to here. I do want to orient myself the same way with the turtle pointing up. So at this point, I should be down here. I should need to turn left maybe. We'll see if I'm right here. So at this point, it'll draw, angle, draw, and then reorient itself. Let's see how close I am. Ooh, that's pretty good. I'm down here at this point. I think I need to get up to the standard upright position. Let's try just another 120 into my turn left here. $120 takes me all the way back around, so that's not right. Let's try 60. 60 does pretty good, but that gets me to the bottom. And ultimately what I want to do is go the other way. Let's see if I swap in and out a turn left here. what happens? There you go. So simply just confusing my rights with my lefts here is what gave me my issues at the end. Right now, this looks exactly like the example right here. My turtle is oriented towards the bottom. Everything looks pretty good. Let's see if code.org agrees. Hey. Good job, kids. I'll see you on the next puzzle.